Hello and welcome to Travel Tuesday. This week, it's not people doing the travelling, it's ice. This is a glacier, a colossal amount of ice which builds up over time from many snowfalls. The weight of new snow pushes down on the snow beneath and squeezes it into ice. The more it's squeezed, the more tiny air bubbles are pushed out and the bluer it looks. The air is colder the higher up you go. That's why mountains usually get more snow than lowlands. As more snow is squeezed into glacier ice, eventually the glacier moves, but very, very slowly. They are like rivers of ice, only the ice in glaciers can be hundreds, thousands, or in some places even 1,000,000 years old. People have found prehistoric creatures frozen inside glaciers and then removed them and learnt things about them. There are even creatures that live in and around glacier ice today. I made my own ice cave by carefully filling up a balloon with water and then freezing it. The process was tricky, so I think it's best to get an adult to help. I did it in a box that I knew would fit inside the freezer. If you want, you can add some food colouring, but it's not really needed and it didn't seem to make much difference to mine. I left mine inside the freezer and 5 hours later took it out and very carefully snipped the balloon and removed it. Sometimes a hole will appear in the side, but I didn't get one this time, so I carefully tapped the ice with a spoon. If you want, you can put toys inside and maybe a torch behind it to make a nice effect. 1/10 of the Earth's land area is covered by glaciers, and they do an important job of keeping it at the right temperature because they reflect some of the sun's light like a big mirror. Glaciers are so heavy that as they move they scratch the rocks and carry some along with them. This is why mountains are normally sharp while hills are more rounded. It's also why glaciers sometimes look a bit dirty. Sometimes glaciers join other glaciers, just like small rivers joining each other to make a big river. Eventually they either get down low enough for the warm air to melt the ice, or they reach the sea and beautiful natural sculptures can float far away. Happy holidays everyone. Bye bye.